Hello everyone, my name is Mikhail Bekonima. In this video, I will give a tutorial on how to use a soldering pump. How do you do it? Watch the video.
Okay, the tools we need to use are solder, to melt the copper, a soldering pump to suck up the melt copper, and the item we want to remove the soldering copper from. Okay, the first way we have to heat the solder. After the solder is hot, stick it to the part that we are going to remove. Apply hot solder several times so that the copper in the component melts again. After the copper has melted, then suck it out using the soldering pump continuously until the surface of the component is flat again. And the components are clean. That's how to use a soldering pump. See you next time. Bye bye.